you running, same type of output will be coming forever. This is going to be what? Static in nature. Static in nature. One more type of program I want to run it. Static in nature. Because I am specifying directly input here, always the same output will come. One more type of program I will open it. You just run it. It is going to give you what? Enter the value of whatever the values I am entering from the keyboard, that type of result will become. It's called a dynamic program. So reading the data from the keyboard. Once again I will run it. Once again I will run it to see that reading the data from the keyboard. 56 and then -4. I'm getting the result values. This is called what? Dynamic output. So we are looking for what? Reading the data from the keyboard. So on that I am going to introduce the next concept called what? Reading the data from the keyboard. Very, very important thing. I am going to start with reading the inputs, reading the data, dynamic reading the data from where? Keyboard. Reading the data from keyboard. I am going to talk about how to read the data from the keyboard. We are going to discuss. So it's not only like the students in the further, this is called a first starting point. Reading the data from the keyboard. Further I am going to tell you reading the data from plant files, reading the data from plant files, reading the data from CSV files, reading the data from JSON files. I am going to tell you all these things. Reading the data from database softwares, reading the data from database softwares, from Oracle, from MySQL, from different places. Reading the data in NumPy, reading the data in Pandas. These many number of places you are going to monitor. Reading the data from another network also I will take. Reading the data from other network. These many number of things I am going to say. Understand, students? So learn the subject so deep of it and requesting to everybody, please practice it. Without practice, don't come to the class. So coming to the point one, now I am going to say reading the data from the keyboard. So what is the need of reading the data from the keyboard? Why you are going for this concept? Because if I go for normal programming, like as you have seen it already, because of this fixed input, I am getting the fixed output all the ways, today, tomorrow, in all the ways. But because of going for dynamism, you are going to get the data, dynamic results you are going to get. That's why reading the data from the keyboard is mandatory. So I am writing to read the data, directly come to the point, to read the data dynamically, from where? Keyboard. To read the data dynamically from keyboard, we must use a predefined function. We must use predefined functions. Predefined functions. They are, or I can say in small words, to read the data from the keyboard, we have two predefined functions. We have two predefined functions in Python. They are, the first one, input of. Spell words. So we have two predefined functions. They are input of. Second one is known as what? Input of. What is it? Message. Right? Now let us go for understanding what is input function, what is input of function. Both of them I will discuss one by one. First one I will write it. What is this now? Input of. Second one I will write it. Input of message. Input of message I will go for. Input of message I will go for. Are you able to follow? Yes. So try to take the students. Now I am going to describe what is this input of, what is this input. Daily we will use this statement in our Python class. Daily from now onwards. Daily we will use it. Because understanding this second phase level is very, very important. So totally 10 pages are there in our Python students. Everything you must understand so perfectly, so that all the things we will use it in the final program. So one topic not understanding, leaving it and continuing with other things not everything we must understand so far. So let us start with what is this input function is. See students, what is the program is actually, every program should contain what? Every program is meant for solving some problem statement. So every program definitely will take what? Input. Every program will definitely will do what? Process. And then definitely every program will give some output. So to take the input, there are so many ways are there for us. Just now I wrote it. The most fundamental way is what? Reading the data. Reading the data. To read such data from external device like a keyboard, we will use the function named by what? Input of. Once if you say input of, you are getting the control of the keyboard. You are getting the control of the keyboard. Let me start students. I am writing the syntax. Just observe it. And it's not a difficult, very easy. Variable name is equal to what? Input of. Input of. See students. What this function is? This function is used for reading any type of data. See students, any type of data from keyboard, any type of data from keyboard in the form of what? str. In the form of str. Everything is coming in the form of str. If you enter integer data, it is coming in str. If you enter float data, anything you enter, it is coming in the form of str. And who and that value placed in LHS, that is nothing but what you know, left hand side variable name. Left hand side variable name. That means this part is placed. Are you able to understand? Let me go to the example now. Direct I will go for the example. Let's go to our other place here. Once again I am showing. Once again go to that. So many times I shown it already. Go to the ID. Ideally, so go to the place. Here I am going to take Python. Today I will introduce one more kind of thing for you. Ideally is opening here. Take care and say what? Start. File. New file. Do you know how we are doing the programming? Started doing that. New file. Click on that. A new window is opened up. As here I will type. Come on, tell me. Program for subtraction of two numbers. Subtraction of two numbers. It's a comment. You know it's a comment, right? As preceded with what? As. Tell me. I must read a value or the beginning I will write some small code. Point to point I will explain. Take care. So you decided to read two values, right? Tell me subtraction of two numbers means what should I read first? One value I need to read or not? Which function I will use to read? Input of. Come on, start. Input of. What is this input of will give you? Input of function will give you the control to get a value from the keyboard. The moment when I write input of, it is waiting for you to enter the value from the keyboard. I will show you that. Once you enter the value from the keyboard, that will be accepted and put it into the left side variable. What I am taking here, K I am going to take it. Now I will say print. What is that? K comma type of K I will print. K comma type of K I will print. What is the K? It's valid, and the type of K means it's a type also I will print. Understand, students? Very basic level I am entering. Programming is not a joke to understand. Programming is really an art of understanding. Once you concentrate, once you practice. So from my side, I will do my complete efforts to make you to understand expert. So that's why you practice daily. Now I am giving the file name for your understanding purpose. Sub-op dot what? P1. Let us save this. For saving is concerned, Control S. I said Control S. Save the program. Into where I already told you, you go for this PC. its D column, and it where I will create today's 7 a.m. I will create one folder, or otherwise I will create one folder. Save as, go to the place, already students. In D column, you see 7 a.m. Under that, I will create one folder. What is that? Separate topic started now. Data read. Data read. In this, I will keep my program. What is my program now? Sub OP, or something like what data read example one. Okay, you take this case. Sub OP one dot what? Py. Sub OP one dot py. Are you able to follow? Tell me what is happening now. I run this code. File name is there. Already explained this type of mechanism, students. Nothing is new today. Now you run this code. Run module. So it is what happens here. Okay. One more bracket you need to use. If no bracket is there, it is not going to run. Okay, students. Now you are running. Once again you are running. Now it is cursor is waiting. Cursor is waiting. Since you have seen the program which I written, you can understand that is written input statement. You are understanding that we must enter the value. Cursor is waiting because of what? Input out. The moment when I enter 56, who will read that 56? Input out. We keep the value in K, left side with. That will be printed. See that now? 56, which type it is? Yes, yeah. Which type of data I enter? Into data. But it is taken internally in the form of what? Yeah. Once again you run it. Careful students. Try to understand carefully. Run it once again. Now still cursor is clicking. Right? By cursor is clicking a layman and calling and do something, you will not understand what it will do. That's why user prompting messages are important. Correct? When you are going on visiting the highway, there will be a labeling will be there on left side some highway, right side some highway will be there. Like that, I want to do some type of message. I'll give you after 2 minutes. I will enter 12.34. But that 12.34 is the floor. Internally taken as which type? STR. Once again I will run it. Once again I will run it. Go for running it. Now cursor is waiting. And the layman don't know that what is supposed to enter. 2 plus 3j I am entering. 2 plus 3j I am entering. Complex value I enter. But it is taken in the form of which type? STR. Are you following me? So, finally I am going to try to conclude my sentences. Anything you enter, it is printing in the form of which type? Now, dear students, now only running is not the way. I need to do some type of user prompting message. How to display the message on the console? I already told you, and you people are out of order simply, not reading and coming to the class. That's what I don't want. To display the result of the Python program on the console, we use the reading Python function, but print. So print with values displaying, print with messages displaying. Why I said this entire thing? So print of what? Messages. Print of message. Displaying the messages. What is this point now? After that, so input of what I am saying now, print of enter a value, enter any value. I am saying that the message. You save it control S and then F5. It is going to give you enter the value. Now you see, if you call a layman, you will understand. Earlier what no message is coming. So it is going to be called what? Enter a value is called what? User prompting message. What message it is? User prompting message. I will enter 34. 34 is printed in which type? STR. Once again you run it. Once again you run it. F5 you say. Enter the value 23.4567 etc. It is also going to be treated as what? STR. Next I will enter something like this. Enter something like this. I will get the data for what? 3.4 plus 4.5 J I am saying. It is for what type? STR. Complex number I entered STR type. Now student final I will enter here something like this. What I am seeing here language, since it is entered as is, STR is taken as STR. Last and final I will say, enter the data. I'm saying 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma something like 40 comma 50. I'm entering, which is considered as what? But it is called what? So anything you enter, it is taken the form of which type? Good. Now that STR type can be converted into our own desired type. So this data I can convert into which type? This data I can convert to which type? STR. L is equal to list of what? Yes. List of? Yes. Or I can convert into int of yes. I can convert into what? Float of yes. I can convert into complex of yes. Correct or not? What is this called? Typecasting functions. I already told you in the class. How many typecasting functions are there? 5 are there. Later I said you bytes of, byte array of, tuple of, list of, 13 typecasting functions I said. None type of is not there I said. So need to remember everything to become a perfection. Otherwise, you are not in your control. I'm telling in the beginning only students. So take care. To understand this programming from now onwards, you must know what is the subject. Now I'm going to my place. Here I'm going to write it. Now programmatically, I'm writing here. Programmatically, what should we do? We can convert what? STR type value into which type? STR type value into which type? Any type into any required type by using what functions? Typecasting function. See, you might be remembering this is a float, next is STR, so on. These are all functions under what? Typecasting functions we can call. Are you able to remember? So, coming to the point back, this example you see, and this example I will take. Tell me now, what the type of a? Which type? STR. Now I will say this message is called what? The enter which value? First value. Coming here. Next I will go for displaying one second value also you will take. First value. Two values are required, right? Say print of enter which value? Second value. I'm going to say second value. I'm going to take. What I will do? B is equal to what I will do? Input out. I'm going to say next I will print. Now I will print. What is this now? I'm saying that print of what? B comma. Print of B comma. Type of what? B. Try to run this code once. Programming is actually very easy once you know the subject. Once we don't know anything, it will be a complicated for you. Enter the values on 4. Enter the values on 5. Both of them are which type? STR. Are you following me? Yes. Go to the place. Here I am going to introduce next stage. Coming to the Python command prompt to test one instruction again. A is equal to what you know? Double quotes 10. B is equal to double quotes 23. Print out what type they are what? A comma type of A is called STR. Type of B comma what? B is called what? STR. Now I am going C is equal to A minus B. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid. It is called invalid. So we are doing negative operation. There is a minus operation on this things. It is going to be, see that I am going to write one something like this. Hyderabad minus Python. Is it valid or invalid? Invalid operation it is. We can't do any such type of operation. Definitely, convert the value 10 and 20 into which type? Already we discussed this type of conversions in my class. If you don't remember, I class. Where I discussed it, your beginning days I will show you where I discussed it. In 7 AM, typecasting techniques are there. Int type is there. See the beautiful notes which I gave you already. Float type to int type, bool type to int type, complex type to int type, int STR to int is not possible. This is what I mean. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5. Such a beautiful notes I am giving, we don't know, we are helpless. That's why I will come to know whether you are reading the notes or not. That's all. Take care. K is equal to what? Int of what? A. What is the A type? STR type. Converted into which type? A type. No problem. B is equal to int of what? B. No problem. Converted. Print of what here you know? K comma type of K. K comma type of K. B comma type of B. B comma type of B. Okay. R is equal to what I am saying? K minus B I am saying. Print what here you know? R comma type of R. R comma type of R. 10 minus 23. The answer is coming. Are you following? So that I will go to my coding level. Coding level. Okay. Now convert to which type? Come on, say. Some x is equal to what? Int of k. Int of k. Y is equal to what? Int of 1. Int of b. Next is called what? Z is equal to what now? X minus 1. Print. Print now. What I am saying? Value of what? Value of x is equal to what I should write it. Dot format of what you know x. Next print of what I am saying you know. Value of y is equal to dot format of what you know y. And I am writing here sub is equal to what I know. Dot format of what? Z. That's it. See that? Like this. And dear students, when you are writing the programming here, you need to start extremely left side of the screen. Extremely left side of the screen means what? You need to start the programming. Once this is a window, you need to start writing from extremely left side of the screen. Because simple space also will get a lot of parameters here. Python is very dangerous. Run this code once, save this code, and see this now. Run this, see that. Enter the value 100, enter the value 200, and see the result of it. Something equal to what? Minus 100. This I am printing originally what type it is. Printing originally what type it is. Later I converted into which type? EDI. Easy. Once again I will run it. Once again I will run it. So run this code. I am saying here minus 23 and then minus 45. It is going to give the result in what? 22. So it is nothing but you know minus 23 minus of minus 45 minus 23 plus 45. So the answer is what something like this. Did you understand this? Yes. So EDI developer. You see, what is this line is called? Displaying the prompting the message. What is this line is called? Reading the data. What is this next is called? Prompting the message. Again, this is called what? Reading the data. Same thing I can do in with PyCharm also. Now I will tell you with PyCharm. Shall I? Go to PyCharm. PyCharm is already ready with me. See students, PyCharm is ready, and I also made you to take this PyCharm also. Students in online, are you able to understand students? Are you able to follow me? Quickly answer my questions. So, coming to this place, see, we are going to discuss a lot of things, students. We should not miss the topics. While I am explaining, we should not miss the single class of mine. We are going to discuss connecting to the Oracle, so many number of higher end applications we discuss in the Oracle. So, take care, don't miss the single class of mine, attend all the classes now. Take new project, and don't eliminate the entire thing. Take care, and please open your laptops. Don't try to remove this entire thing. Whatever is highlighted, you give that name. And while giving the file name, don't use spaces, dollars, don't give your own lazy way. Give the perfect name. Now, what I am going to say now, data, or I can say 7 a.m. 7 a.m. What is my topic name? Data. Data. It is acting like a folder. It is like a workspace. It is like an environment. Understand my point? It is a folder is created. Where is that folder is created? In C column, in users, PyCharm projects, 7 a.m. data read is called folder. Did you understand that? Yes. So take care. One should not miss the programming of practice. So this is called our sample code. Now I want to write my own code. Shall I start now? So I am writing the program. Let us take new file. Once again, select the project and say rightly. In that project, I am going to keep my files. Right? Python files. I am saying here data read one. Data read one. Dot data read example1.py. Example1.py. See this now carefully. This is my file. Now start. Now what is my code? Program for accepting two values and a multiply any operation. I'll go for detailed explanation of examples. Tell me what should I do? Print off. Come on, start. Enter which value? First value. Now tell me what I'm doing. A is equal to input of. A is equal to input of. Next I'm writing one more. Print enter second value. First of all, you must understand the given problem statement. Did you understand the problem statement? Yes. Next I will say B is equal to what? Input of. Input of. What should I do now? There are which type? STR type. I must convert into which type? Int type. I can convert into float also. Better to convert into int of float of. Load if I convert, it can be done. Load value also can be done because it is a subset of what? So better to convert into load. Come on, now I am saying x is equal to float of what? A. I will write it a commenter. Convert. I'm writing convert str values into which type? Float type. Into float type I'm going to say. How do you do that? X is equal to float of what? A. Already you know typecasting functions. Y is equal to float of what? B. You print. Z is equal to x star y. X star y. My dear students, now I want to print like this. Student, I want to print the data something like this student. What I want to print something like, let us understand. WL of 2 comma 3 is equal to 6 I want to print. What is this 2 is called? X value. What is this 3 is called? Y value. What is this 6 is called? Z value. Can I print it? Yes. Normally you can print it. What is the value of here? Value of what? X is equal to colon dot format of what? X. Now I can see here value of y is equal to, this is called Python coding started writing students. We should not postpone. Tomorrow I will practice. Day after tomorrow I will practice. If you have that nature, it will be how. So this is called what? Z. Come on, start this discussion now. This code. How do you run this code? This is called what? Display the result. What is this is called? Process the input. This is called one process, reading the inputs. So run this. Right click and say what? Data read example1.py. See students, ready? It's ready here. Enter first value 4. Enter second value 5. It is going to give you 4.0, 5.0, 20.0. Why dot 0 is coming? No. You run it once again, students. I can say 1.2. I can say 1.2. I can say 3.4. Am I getting the result like this or not? We do integers as well as no. Easy or difficult? Easy. So take care, students. The same program I will tell you. So many formats I will tell you, students. I will go on. How many lines of code I wrote in? 14 lines. 14 lines of code I will write it in one line. 14 lines of code I will write it in one line. A basic student who don't know any coding will be written like this. Since you are understanding slowly, I will go on reducing. One single line I will write. Single line coding doing the same logic means what? They are called guru in Python, correct? So that's why you want to be guru or normal student. Guru will speak only one line, there is more meaning is there. Normal person level will go on speak something going on meaning. That's why single line coding we need to plan for writing. Don't ask me for everything single line code not possible. I'm saying that write an effective code, that is my intention. So somebody is asking, Aloka Pradhan is asking, why dot format uses her? So you must read the notes. You must read the notes. This is my advice for you. Already, this is called Alok Pradhan. It is a Pradhan doubt. So if you ask me, I will show you the notes is already explained yesterday's notes. So Alok Pradhan. So this is already explained in the last session. Last session already explained. So if you ask me now, the helpless. Helpless. Now once one topic is over, again explaining the same thing is not possible. Now I am going to write the same program in another way. What is this now? Data read example 1.py. Shall I go for writing next way? Right. Carefully look at students. Now I am going to write in the next way. How to write in the next way? Let us watch. So data read example 2 I am going to take. Let us take the new program now. What is the new program now? 7 AM data read. Say right click, new and Python file. Python file. Say what is here now? Data read example 2.py. Take that. Even I can just copy and paste it, but I am not doing that. If I copy and paste, you will get little confused. I will write with my hands. So I will take just the title. I will just take the title of this. I am just taking the title of that. So just for a minute, student. I will just take this and I will keep it here. So data read example 2.py. Tell me what should I do? Here what I said. Read the value, enter the value, enter the first value, second value. But today I am writing print of enter two values, enter two values, enter two values I am going to say. Enter two values I am going to say. When I enter two values, how many times I have to read the value? Two times I have to read the value. Two times I have to read the value. Who is going to read the value from the keyboard? English students. Right, very good. Come on, now I will see x is equal to, come on, input of x is equal to what? Input of. First value read. Second value also read. Y is equal to what? Input of. How many values you write? Right. Input acceptance is over or not? Convert them into which type? Float. Convert it please. A is equal to float of x. Next, B is equal to float of what? Y. Converted or not? Next, do what? C is equal to what? A star B. Now I need to print the result now. Yes. How I want to print the result today? MPL of 2, 3 is equal to 6. I want to print. How do you write it? Print of double quotes MPL of I want to print the value. I say it's curly brace. Second value I want curly brace is equal to result curly brace dot format of A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. I need to go. Yes, beautiful. Whether say here FUL of what I'm saying now comma is equal to like this dot format of double quote start here. Okay. What I can say? A comma B comma C. That's all. Are you following? Right. Run this code. Go to this place. Run this code. Asking now. Enter the value 4. Enter the value 5. Getting the result like this. Run this code once again. 1.4 and then 3.7. Answer is coming like this. Run this once again. Value called 5. Value called 1.6. Result is coming like this. Are you okay, students? Next up, like this. Run this code. I am seeing here. Here we are here. You will get immediately error. Python here I am writing. You cannot convert KVL into float, Python into what is the term? Value. Already we discussed where typecasting. To understand the coding very well, I already established the base very openly for you. So, how to do that? In the further there is a topic called exception handling. Here I will discuss once again about the error handling methods. Okay. Now we understand this method. Let me shortcut this thing. What is this enter two values? It's called user prompting message. Hello? User prompting message. What is these two lines of 4 and 5? Reading the inputs from the keyboard. What is this line number 6 and 7 is called? Come on. Converting into which type? Right. Later I am multiplying or not? Good. I will go for one more example. See students carefully. I will go for what you know. One more example. Come on, new file. Save Python file. I will take it. Read example 3.py. Okay. I copy this now, code students. Just for your commenting purpose. Now 3.py. What I will do? Please look at enter. Come on. Enter what values? Okay. What I used to do earlier, input of we used to do it up. Now, input of. What we used to do, y is equal to what? Input of. We used to do it. Careful students. Here I am going to tell you one simple technique for you. A is equal to what I used to say? Float of what? X. Now you take that. Mathematically, x is equal to what? Mathematically, x is equal to what? So, in place of reducing this line, I will write in x place and directly I will write what? Input of I will write. Input of I will write. Did you understand this? Tell me. That time I need not to write this line. Directly I am writing. What is input of is giving? What is input of is giving? Reading the data. Which type? Converting immediately to which type? That's all. Next please. Earlier we used to write what? P is equal to what? Float of y. Y is equal to what? Input of. Y is what type earlier? STR. But I am converting into which type? Now I am writing the y value is directly into which type? Input of. So that I am minimizing the memory space for x and y objects or not? Less variables, less memory space, faster the execution is. Understand students? So here what are we doing now? Reading and converting into which type? Into float type. Into which type? Float type. Are you able to follow? Yes. Now I want to multiply. Come on students, multiply. C is equal to what? A star B. Now write it. Now come on, what should I say? MUL of, comma, dot is equal to dot format of come on, A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. How beautiful code it is. Run this code. See the answer now. 4 and 7. Answer is like that. Once again you run it. 3.4 and something like 7.8. Answer is something like this. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I want to say one more kind of circuit. Can I write everything into one line? Yes. Possible. I will copy this program. Since you understand this code, now I will take it. Everything in one line I will write. If you don't understand, don't feel also. And nothing is there to feel, you don't understand that's all. Don't understand. So, Dharmesh, I am fan of and you fans are okay. So, my dear students, don't be a fan of mine. I am not a celebrity, I am like you want. You be a fan of my subject. I am also a fan of you. You are also a fan of me. Nothing will come because of me. You be a fan of my subject, so that you will get the job tomorrow. Your life is beautiful. Correct? Yes, Dharmesh, anyhow, thank you, my dear student. Right? You be a fan of my subject. Okay, na? So I am also like you. I am also like you. You are also like me. And you be perfect in my subject. That is the written gift for. Correct? Yes. So please follow me carefully and try to understand. Okay, that means so 4, Python 4 not. So, okay, Tushar is asking one question. Sir, if we give STR data as an input, what is he is asking? Here, it is a type error. Correct, sir? See, read my notes. Already conversions explained or not? Without reading my notes, if you come to the class, you will see stars in the table. I told already in the class number 1. Before coming to my class, you must read. First day when I came to the demo sessions, I said you must read the notes. Already I told you now. When do you get the error? When do you get the answer? Already told you. Tushara, where I told you, again I will open for your purpose. For your purpose, I will open. Again explaining the same thing is not possible with me. Typecasting techniques, intertype, see what is this? A beautiful, like an Indian constitution, I give the point to point. What is possible? What is possible? What is possible? What is not possible? Under stringer type, intertype, case 1, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, case 5, and case 6. Tushara is asking STR data type is it a type error correct or not? So I cannot say correct or wrong. I don't want to say. See, he is asking a general question, but I gave you the detailed question here. Case 1 possible, case 2 not possible, case 3 not possible, case 4 not possible, case 5 not possible. What answer I have to give to her? You see, read the notes very well. You can understand, otherwise it's a problem for you. Tushara, did you understand my points? All these examples are there in your notes. Did you understand? One is possible, others are not possible. I already told you this and take care. Right. Okay. Okay, Maharaj. Okay. Did you understand this example or not? Value error? Yes. So please read the notes. Right. See, students, my responsibility is what? I must give perfect answer. And one more, my thing is what? I want to explain the Python in such a way that nobody can explain like that. That is my selfishness. If I explain subject for you, should become a master. That is my selfishness. That like that I will come to the class. And tomorrow in coming 10 years, if you see in somebody's class, you should prefer my class only. Like that I will do the subject for you. That's my target actually. That's why I will discuss subject so deep of it. Understand? So you cooperate to it, you will get the perfect. But don't be a fan of mine, don't be anything. I'm also like you will come to the class. Okay? You only I expect from you is request is read my notes thoroughly and get the subject. Okay now? Okay, and a compound offline students, DPR. So coming to the point. Online students, are you okay? Now I will move to the problem. Now coming to this. Now I will write it. Single line I will write it. Can I? Print off enter what? Two values. Okay. Directly I will write it. Directly I will write it. Now I am writing here. C is equal to directly I am writing float of what is this now? Input of. Don't expect sorry writing 2 lines or 3 lines. By the end of the class I will write it in single line. By the end of the class I will write single line. Because I am talking about only which function. Which function I am talking here? Input of. Let me come to input of message so that I can show you in the single line. No, don't worry about it. Next I am writing what here? I am writing input of. I am writing directly into load of what I am writing. Input of. Are you able to follow? I am getting the data, reading the data, multiply them and then print it. Print of what? Is equal to what I can say dot format of what? C. Dot format of C. Try to run this. C is equal to dot of. Okay, correct. Input of function that is. Run this code now. From this code, enter two values, 4 and 7.8, got the result like this. Are you getting this? So I will be writing so many number of different examples I can practice and then come to the class for output. Now this is called which function now? Which function here? Right. So thank you, my dear students. So coming to the point of it, now I want to go for what is this? Input of. I will go for example. You know, when I am explaining my subject, I will feel that you are just like a 2.5 year kid. That means if you open my notes, it should be like your LKG textbook. LKG textbook means apple means right side of apple figure is there. Like that I want to give my notes. Why that decided? Why I want to give a detailed and deep notes? Because when I was in my BE first year, Usman University BE we can call, not BTech. In that, we have one ma'am is there. Ma'am, I don't like ma'am's teaching in my life. It's my experience. But ma'am is there. So she is teaching for a subject called MFCS. And that is called discrete mathematics nowadays in some universities. Mathematical foundations of computer science. That subject full form is. It is discrete mathematics. In this MFCS, we have functions of intermediate, and the next is called a probability, and then statistics, right? Statistics. Graph theory will be there. Graph theory. These kind of things will be there. And she came to the class. Beginning, MFCS ma'am only came. By looking at her, I thought that she will just explain like anything. She charged the Telugu right? Then she started. Usman University means it's a branding university. So after sitting, within half an hour, we don't know, beginning onwards I used to decide what is good and what is bad in me. That qualities are there, I don't know how it came. Maybe from my intermediate or mathematics teacher, if we teach mathematics, stone also will break and it melt and it flows. That way he will explain the mathematics. That is called my inspiration to make mathematics. Hats off to me. Then after coming to this PE engineering level, mathematics he started it. MFCS function. What is that? First beginning, what is the function? What is the need of function? Like that she need to start. Then she came with 10 books and she started. Theorem number 1, every one-to-one function is into, every one-to-one function is like that she started. First day we are seeing this lecturing. Okay, we felt that days. Okay, we are coming from districts. In Hyderabad, teaching is like that we felt. Okay, 2 days over, 3 days over. 4th day also, 2 days functions over. And I opened the textbook. The textbook contains 75 pages, functions. 2 days, 1 hour, 45 minutes over. 10 minutes attendance first day. Last 10 minutes leaving without saying 40 minutes. Last over, 40 minutes functions over. After 10 days, 4 periods will be there to be honest language in my day, but I want to say this. Next, after that, binomial theorem started. Binomial theorem. So she need to explain what is binomial theorem, why binomial theorem is important now. Directly she came to the class, SPR is equal to n factorial by that to this to prove that. She need to prove the theorem. Fact. Take the factors and then prove it. But she did not say that day I just what so much of disappointment. So our engineers constructed big dams, big flyovers, so many things we constructed. And we are learning engineering and we don't know even definitions of the building. And she said to prove that book number, book name, page number, she said, and learn. Next theorem, HCR is equal to again book name theorem. And I written it, and almost the theorems are 6-7 theorems, 6 different books. We have 2 library cards. 6 books, 2 library cards. How can we prepare it? That day I decided, if I become a teacher, I must give so detailed notes to my students. I felt that day only. That strong day, today I am giving detailed notes. And that day, I asked her a question, because all, we used to call her madam in districts, and all city people are calling me ma'am. So, everybody is saying ma'am, like that. We also call ma'am, please prove it, I said. I don't know. I asked, ma'am, please prove that theorem on the board. She said, get out, she said. We don't know that day. She said, get out. Really, I wondered. Anybody asked get out? How politely we need to answer? How politely we need to answer? I don't know. Why should I go? I said, I don't know English. Why should I go? So she said, go. I went. Otherwise, she's not teaching. Because of me, why others should suffer? Next day also she came. Next day, she started with statistics. Then she started saying theorem only. We already studied these things in our internet. But we need some proof from different lectures. So I am saying, again I asked it out. Said it out. Second I said it out. Third day, she came. She did not come to the class. One attendant came. Roll number 12, ma'am is calling. I feared a lot. What she will do, I don't know. She's the professor that time. So I went there. She's sitting in the room in wheelchair, she's moving left side, right side. And I went there inside. She said, close the door. I'm ready to like anything. I want to run away from that room. But internal marks are there. What can I do? Let it be. If it takes decussing maybe 2 times, no problem. But internal marks is important. So she started asking, close the door. She said, tomorrow onwards, don't ask the doubts. I'll do 20 out of 20 internals. So, I felt happy at that point, but I felt very much disappointed. Teachers are the models to the students. When she said, 20 out of 20, don't ask the doubts, means give it away. So, I kept quiet. I put a laugh to my mom. So people are waiting. I came to the class. Everybody is eagerly waiting. 60 students. What is happening there? What agreement is going on? The next day I came to the class, and everybody is looking at me. Why he is not asking doubts? I kept quiet because if I don't like it, I will be sitting in the back. If I like it, I will come and sit in the second or third bench. So started finally, and one of the person is asking after 3 days, why are you not asking doubts? I said, I don't have doubts. No, you are telling me. Please tell me what is happening. After 4 days, I told him indirectly, I told him what is happening. Next time, he started asking doubts. So, when he is asking doubts, he is looking at me seriously. He is the guy who provoked me. And madam got the same story. He called again promised 20 out of 20. Like that, everybody got 20 out of 20. What is the thrill in that? What is the thrill in that? So, that day only I decided, when I become a faculty, I must give deep notes, detailed explanation, practical answers, and doubt should be clarified very perfectly. That is the target. That day only I decided. So, fortunately or unfortunately, I am teaching, and I should go for detailed explanation to my students as long as I will explain. I am in teaching line. It is continued 25 years of experiences. So, like that, I am having my journey students. So, support me and learn well and refer to friends. Okay. So, refer examples. I am going to say refer data read example 1.py. So, data read example 2.py. Next is called a data read example 3.py. Next is data read example 4.py. Don't feel so. I am teaching. I don't like it. That is my experience. So really, I don't like it. Because there are a lot of problems. Unnecessarily, teaching like disturbing the students. So, girls, are you feeling anything? You also know you don't like I am teaching. I don't know. Let it be. Don't feel bad. Now I am going for next one is called what? Input of message. Input of message. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce one more kind of. Now, what is this input of message is? In our programming, I'm giving this one message with this, and next one is I'm multiplying directly. Here, instead of print function and reading separately and then displaying separately, a single function can do both of them. Input of message. This message represents user prompting message. Input function only can give you one user prompting message, plus it can read the data also. Are you following me? Now I am writing the syntax. Same syntax I am writing. Variable of what? Message. Here I am writing. What this function is doing? Same thing, same thing. You need to read the data from the keyboard in the form of str, and the values are stored in the form of what? Left hand side variable. I will copy as it is. Along with that, here I am writing. This function additionally use what message? Additionally use user prompting message, students. User prompting message. Did you understand this word? Yes. Let me write the coding immediately. Go to this place. See, students, this is my first example. I will write this first example. I will carry as it is. Data read one first example. I'll go for one more example. Detailed example I will take. Look, go to this place. Observe it. 5.5. Data read example 5.py. See, students, I am going to introduce this kind of things. Data read 5 example.py. 5. Now I am going to write it. What is this example? 5.py. 5.py. Sorry. Now tell me. Earlier I used to write what more? Print. Enter what value? Enter first value like this. After that we used to write what? A is equal to what? Input of. Today I am not writing separately this statement. I will write this prompting message by using input of itself. I will remove the above one. What it is doing? It is going to give the user prompting message, plus it will read the data also. So 2 in 1 it can do. Are you able to follow? Come on, see here. I am writing. Now see, students, please print this value here. A comma what? Type of A comma. Please run this code. What is this now? See, cursor is waiting up. What is this message is called? User prompting message. Who is going to give you? For that, I am entering the value for 45. 45 also read by which function? Input function. Kept into which variable? A. What is the type of? str. Beautiful, str. So it is prompting the message, plus it is reading the data also. So it is better to go for this function only now. So let us run this once again. I say here 23.45, which type? str. Again you run it now. Again you run it. 3.4 minus 5.6. Sorry, students. So I will go for what? Here I need to say 2 plus 2.5, 2.6 minus 4.5j. And see this data now. Is it coming str type or not? Yes. Today I am going for writing into what? It is. Now I am going to write it directly what? Input of. Did you understand? I am converting into which type? Int type. If you want, I can convert into which type also? Beautiful. P is equal to command form. Lower. Input of. Enter. Second value. Enter the second value. Okay. Come on. Print directly. C is equal to what? C is equal to what? A star B. Come on, print above. See, something like mul like this is equal to dot format of A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C and run this code now. Run this code, say something like 6 and 7.8 you see and the result is like this. Are you okay? So see, I am reducing this entire thing something like this. Can I go for next line? Yes. So I am going to write it. Next part I am going to say. Enter first value, second value. Are you able to understand this direct now? Are you able to understand this direct now? From now onwards, I will use what? Input of message I will give. I will read it. I will convert it to which type? Last and final, I am going to give you the conclusion part. Data read example 6.py. 6.py. So I will write it. Data read example 6.py. 6.py. These students, directly I will write the example. Directly, if you follow, print of MUL is equal to dot format of course don't read it if you don't understand. Don't read it if you don't understand. Float of I am writing of you can understand if you keep your concentration. What I am saying, enter which value? First value. Okay. Enter first value and see. This is called what you know? Load of and take. So after that, I will say what? Star. I will say one more line. Load of which value? Second value. Don't feel if you don't understand. In the further you will understand this. I am just taking indirectly the same methodology. Try to run this example now. Try to run this example now. Run this. Enter first value 5. Enter the second value 35. Enter next line here. Say something like 1.3, then 5.6. Result is like this. Are you following? Easy or difficult? Easy. Not at all difficult. Single line of code is written. Single line of code is written. MPL is equal to E place. I just written here. Simply go to previous one. In place of A, what I am writing? This entire thing or not? In place of B, what I am writing? This entire. In place of C, I will multiply. In place of this, what I will write? You tell me. This entire thing I will write up. Let me take up last and final. And the shortcut code technique is important. Data read example 7.py. Please take this and then I will go for showing this. Please come to this place. 6 dot, 7 dot I will get. Tell me. Substitution mechanism you only tell me. What is this now? A. What should I write it? This value I will write. Can I write this? B place what I will write it? This line I will write. Because if you started understanding the logics like this now, you can be qualifying any written test very easily. Written test qualifying is very important. In written test, they don't give you 24 pages additional booklet, they won't give you. To write the exams, whatever you like. They will give you short code and they will ask you the output. So to get the type of knowledge perfectly, you must go for this type of answers. So it is going to give you the prompting message, converting into which type? Again asking floating conversion message and going to give you one. Right. Now I will write it directly one. Here there is no possibility of getting the value called AB. Here I am writing directly. I will write only called what? C. Did you understand? Yes. So try to run this code. This is called as what is the code now? 7.py. So just run this 7.py 6 and a 9.6 answer is like this. Understand, students? Now, if you still very good student, in place of C, what I can write it? This entire thing I will copy paste it. Entire thing copy and then paste it. That is what I did in the 6. Did you understand? Students in online, are you comfortable, my dear students? So all these things you leave it and this you try to see. All the students in online, my dear students. Hello, Pradhan, all the students in the class. Very good. Praveen, very, very clear. Okay. So, nice. So go to the next Pradhan is here. Tushara, are you okay? Nino Kumari. So some of the students who will start asking doubts. So clear. So some of the students who are there, Nino Kumari, one more student is there. So very good. Now all the students, of course, those who are asking the doubts, I am asking them. So today what we understand? Today what did we understand? This. How many functions are there to read the data from keyboard? One is input of, one more is input of message. Here I am writing examples. Refer data read example 6.py. I was 6 5.py. Next is called what? Data read 6 and 7 also. 6 and 7 also. 6 and 7 also. 7 also, 7.py. Right. So, yes, ma'am, I am attaching the notes now. See, writing the program in these notes is not correct. Of course, if you want, I can paste this. So, if I try to paste these things inside the notes, we will be getting completely problem. What I am asking is, when I write like this now, Rahul, I understand your pitch, ma'am. When I write like this, how you need to write the notes also, I will tell you today. How you need to write the notes also, I will tell you. See, after from now onwards, what is the heading now you are keeping in the notes? You are writing this input function tag, and I have said what? Data read example 1 tag. Along with this content, I will upload one of programs also. So I am writing the notes example here. Immediately, what you are writing this example with, don't write refer data read example 1 tag. Write the code. Okay, now. So, data read example 2.py, write that code. Are you following? Don't read like your academics. Down the next page, diagram you see, you will modify and write in the exam also. Down next page. Okay, now, don't do that. So, keep our things on that, and here it is going to be input of message, and you are going to get like this. So, please write the notes and write the coding immediately. Main target students, see, concept is very simple. Concept is actually very easy. On that concept, so many examples will be covered. Okay, now, open the notes now. Open the notes. Now, first time you are opening the notes. See, all of you look at it. Right. Deepak, getting confidence, very nice. So, see, students, here you need to keep one notebook, student. Your bare notebook. This is called a bare notebook. You need to maintain. You need to maintain for the long-term purpose. One more notebook you need to bring to the classroom. What is this classroom book? This is called your homework book. That is homework book. That is homework book. That these notebooks we did not keep it in engineering also. That is over. The days are over. Today I am saying, please follow. This homework book, you need to solve it. Some of the examples, most of the examples I only will tell in the class. Because I don't give much homework for you. Because you will not do homework, I know that. I know that. Because you are so busy. Where are you busy? I know that. And don't share all this time is not there. That's why most of the example myself only will tell. If I give unnecessarily homework, people don't do it, lot of students will suffer. Okay, now, if you require more homework, definitely I will dictate in the class. So let me do beginning this, myself only will do lot of examples. I can cover it. Okay, sir, I have one doubt. Little bad princess. Okay, most welcome. Open the notes. Write a Python program. Put your doubt on little princess. Write a Python program which will calculate. Pen is not there. Only notebook is there. Pen is there, notebook is not there sometimes. Both of them are not there, except mobile also. Okay. Write a Python program which will calculate area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay. What is the formula for area of rectangle? directionality is not required. I am not asking trigonometry ratios, inverse trigonometric functions I am not asking. Hyperbolic trigonometric functions I am not asking. I am asking basic subject below 7th class. Studied 7th class or studied? Remember? Okay. Now I will write the code. Go to that one. See that the same place. See how you can write. I want to see everybody must answer my question. Python file. What is this now? Rectangle area dot what? Even. Don't do recto space area. Don't do your own file name. Your lazy file name. Don't give it. You say rectangle area without any gaps you write. So this is ready. Program for look at one. Program for calculating area of what? Rectangle. Okay. What is the formula, students? I am writing formula also. What is the formula? Area is equal to what? Length into what? Breadth. Length into breadth. Okay, students. Stop. What should I accept it? Right side you see. This is your input, sir. What should I accept it? Length. What should I accept it? I need to multiply them and I need to keep my resulting area or not? Tell me. Come on, students. Length is equal to float of input of enter length. Enter length. Are you following me? What is this input of enter length? Prompting the message plus reading the data and converting into which type? Very good. Come on now. I will say what? Breadth is equal to float of input of enter. Enter what? Breadth. Very nice. Now, two inputs are over. Yes or no? Area is equal to length into breadth. It is called multiplication. Yes. If I want to see my result so perfectly, I will write like this. Some good result I want to display. Decorative. Decorative. So, decoration. Nothing but what good presentation of my program. Just lines. Just lines. Come on, students. Length. Length is equal to dot format of what? Length. If you want to fill big length variable, take the L is equal to. Right up? Okay. Next I will write it breadth. What is this now? Breadth is equal to say what? Dot format of what? Breadth. Okay. Next I will take it what? Area of what? Rectangle is equal to. Say what here? Dot format of what? Area. Well. Now see students. Now run my code. Why I wrote this line? Just to look my output much look nice or looking nice. When you come to the class, you will ready and you will come to the class. That's part of presentation logic. Right? Run this code and see this now. Enter the length. Enter the length 5 and breadth is called sum 8. That is nothing but what? Length is 5. Breadth is this. Area of rectangle is this. Run once again, my dear students. Enter something like 34.56 and the next is called some 67.34. Answer is like this. Are you able to get it? Easy or difficult? Easy or difficult? Easy. As long as R is doing it is easy. But once you keep your fingers on the keyboard, they won't trust us. Don't do that. Feel easy and do the things perfect. Write one homework. Write down. It's a class work. C by W. H by W I am giving. Hostel work, class work, whatever. Homework I am going to give. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate area of a circle. Area of a circle. Same pattern I am giving. Not writing. Not writing. Written. Area of a circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. Will you look for pi symbol in the keyboard? No, 3.14 is the value of pi. You know that? Pi r square, na? Symbol is called pi r square. What is the value of pi? 3.14 into R into R. Understand, students? Can you do it as a homework? Yes. Next, can I give one more homework? Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate circumference of a circle. Circumference, that is called perimeter. Circumference is also called perimeter. Circumference of a circle. What is the formula? 2 pi r. Pi r square is area, my dear student. 2 pi r. How do you write in the statement? 2 into 3.14 into r. 2 pi r. The formula. Then convert to statement in Python. What is your input now? Radius. Radius now. Radius can be taken in the form of big type, load type, everything. So these two things you do it. And these two. If I do much homework, you will not come to the classes also. The student is always execute these days. I'll give you, because student expect what you know these days. Should not go to the classes, should not read the subject, should get the job with 50,000. That is the intention of the students. That will not never happen in the life. So, the success, not of undergoing phases are important. Then I will stop it, and tomorrow's session is, it will be carried forwarded. Tomorrow my topic name is, look at students, this will be carried forwarded. Tomorrow my topic name is what? Operators. Operators and what? Expressions. Is my topic. This is what 3-4 days it will take. 3 days topic is so many programs will start from now on. Keep one good notes and start writing the data. Okay, students? Bring 2 notebooks. One is classroom notebook and other things. Those who are coming for offline, don't sit quite at the top of the class. Notebook must be there with every student. Bring pens and all those things. Okay? Tomorrow what is our topic name? Operators. This carry forward. Input will be carried forward. Print will be carried forward. All the days will be carried forward. Right? Yes, ma'am. I will keep that, ma'am. I will keep. So don't expect daily homework. Much homework, don't expect it. I will give homework. I am the first person giving much homework, but you won't do. You won't do. Because all students are not failure students, right? Some students will be there. Okay, so I will do homework. We don't do it. So I don't want to keep much pressure in the beginning days. Let me build the confidence in doing the coding.